Buying a car is always an exciting but sometimes terrifying experience if you are unaware of what to look out for. Lack of research or knowledge could lead to a real financial headache. So for this video, I'm going to create a little guide for you to follow to make sure that you find yourself the right car without any serious issues down the line. So let's get started. The first step in your used car journey is figuring out what car suits your needs. Considering factors like size, fuel efficiency and features. Do you need a reliable commuter, a spacious family car, or perhaps something sporty? Think about your journeys and what you plan to do in your car or what you will be doing on your day-to-day. Learn about your chosen car's history and options list and trim levels to help get you a nice high-spec model. Once you've narrowed down your options, you're ready for the next step. Now let's talk money. It's crucial to set a realistic budget that includes not just the purchase price but also any potential maintenance costs. Don't forget to factor in taxes and registration fees. This will help you avoid falling in love with a car that is way out of your price range. Before you get too excited about a specific model, check the insurance and tax costs associated with it. Some cars may have higher insurance premiums or annual taxes. Knowing these numbers up front will prevent any unpleasant surprises down the road. Be sure to use your dream car's registration if it is on show on the advert to find the most accurate quotes. Once you've got your eye on a particular car, it's time to dig deeper. This is genuinely one of the most important pieces of research you can do. It is why I stress to you that you obtain a comprehensive vehicle history report. This will reveal important details about the car's past, such as accidents, previous owners and odometer readings, and any tricky situations such as bad finance or the fact the car was clocked. It's like a car's personal biography. Using websites like Cartel, MotorCheck and Car Vertical, you can get all of the important information you need to be sure you're not buying a clunker. With all the groundwork laid out, it's time to hit the virtual and physical pavement. Explore online marketplaces, dealerships and classified ads. Cast a wide net and be patient. The perfect car might just be a few clicks away. Congratulations, you have found a potential match. Now you get to go for a face-to-face meeting. Be sure to follow these steps. First things first, ask for the car's service history. A well-maintained car often comes with detailed records of its maintenance and repairs. This information can give you insights into the car's overall health. Follow up with the seller on this, but do physically check the service book if you present to check any service records. Speak with the seller often on how frequently the car had been driven or of any major jobs that had been done. Now it's time to get our hands a little dirty. Inspect the tyres, thread wear by feeling the indicator on the tyre. Also check for uneven patterns and additionally pop up the hood and check the engine oil. Clean oil is a good sign of proper maintenance. If you remove the oil cap and see any milky residue, then maybe walk away. This could be a potential head gasket issue. Time to take your potential new ride for a spin. Pay attention to how it handles, any unusual noises and how it feels on the road. If it is any good, then this is your chance to ensure that the car is a good fit for you. You've fallen in love with the car and now it's time to talk numbers. Don't be afraid to negotiate when it comes to agreeing a price. Obviously offer a little low at first, but do check about any potential imperfections such as expired tax or NCT for example, or the car needing something like a service or new tyres, to create some wiggle room. Do your research on the car's value and be prepared to walk away if the deal doesn't align with your budget. There are plenty of fish in the used car sea. Feel free to take on a fixer-upper, but remember that the issues the car may have may become a never-ending money pit, so tread carefully. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to buying a used car. Remember, patience and thorough research are your best friends in the process. If you have any friends who are into cars and you might not be, bring them along too. They're always a great help. Other than that, I wish you the best of luck on your car buying journey, and may your new wheels take you on many exciting adventures. If you enjoyed this video, why not watch another one? If you want to know more about importing, check out my How to Import a Car into Ireland video and my JDM version, which will be down in the description below. Thank you all for watching and hope to see you all very soon.